Okay, enough. Okay, talking stop, please. Shall we start the class, please? Already class started. Hmm? Hello? Yes. Now look here, beta. So in Euclid part, what we have studied, let's see, check this part out. So last class we were discussing about Euclid. In Euclid section we studied some part. Just small recap. Okay, if somebody will be asking you assumptions. So last class we have discussed. So one small cap, Yuvashri. What is the meaning of assumptions? Assumptions. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Bhavya. Shanvi today went for KV class. Some school program was there, so she was not available. Tanisha, good evening, beta. Hey, now come on, answer my questions. So, Kanish, can you answer my question, please? The question is, ki what exactly you understood about assumption? Assumption here means what? If somebody will be asking you about assumption, assumptions means actually what? So assumptions will be what? We can assume it. We don't have any fact related to it. So it is exactly called as what? Assumptions. Okay. Now, Tanisha, axioms and postulate. What and all are the difference between axioms and postulate? Tell me what is the difference between axioms and postulate? General notations are what? It is a, which is a universal truth, and you cannot have to. It is a universal truth. Is there any mathematical implication in that? Very good. Sam, next point, used throughout in mathematics, which one we are using? Axioms. And what is postulates? Postulates we are actually using where, beta? We are, yes, Tanisha, postulates where we are using? Postulates we are using? Yes, we are using in geometry. Postulates we are using in geometry. Yes. So we have studied till here. Yes. So now after that, we were discussing about postulate. General assumptions specific to geometry. So when any assumptions we are specifically dealing to geometry, what we are calling it as, beta? We are calling it as postulates. What we are calling it as? Postulates. Now when Euclid you will be studying, in Euclid part of postulates and assumptions are most important. Understood or not? So postulate assumptions, it will be exactly talked about. Again and again we are talking about what is postulate, what is assumptions, what is theorem. Correct now? After that we have discussed about definitions. Understood or not? So some point definitions were there which we had learned. Understood or not? The first part, what was that? A point is that which has no part. A point is there which has no part, and that time what I have discussed, if we will be talking about point, in that point we have discussed a very important sections. In that section we have discussed that when we are talking about point, the point can be localized. When we can localize a point? By drawing a coordinate axis. The moment you are putting coordinate axis, you are localizing the point. Now after that we have talked about line. What is the definition for line? आप पर्सन बुक से पढ़ाते हो क्या क्लास का? No, there is a we have our material which we are discussing, beta. Yes. See, lines are made with infinite number of points. So when we are talking about points, when all the points will be aligning, these points alignment will make a line which will have endless stretch. Understood? So there is no definite point for that. Got it? So, but the same, it will have two end point. The moment That is NCRT only. These points are specifically dealing with NCRT only. These concepts extra I am teaching, and this is a part of NCRT beta. Yes, this is for NCRT only. So now listen, what is the next part beta? The next point what we are discussing is a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the point on itself. Correct now? So last class what we have studied beta, Nityam, we have discussed about what we started with. We talked about points, and then we localized a point. When all the points will be uniting together for a specific order, it will be making line. So a line is made with infinite number of points. After that what we studied, if we will put two end points for a line, then it will not be considered as line, it will be considered as line segment. So this much we have finished. After that we have talked about a surface. What is the difference between, now one question was there, can you tell me this part please? Children, just give me answer for this question. I have a doubt. Can you clear my doubt, please? So if I say surface, understood? Now? What is the difference between surface and paper? Paper and its surface. Is there any difference between paper and its surface? Because that class, last class I have discussed about paper and its surface. Yes, paper is what? 3 dimension. You saw the video? Yes. So beta paper will be considered as what? 3 dimension. So paper, yes. It is? Yes. Good evening, Chahil. Hello, God. Easy is God. Yes. Grade 8. It will be helpful for you. Okay. You are from grade 8 means it will be highly beneficial for you. Now look here, beta. So what did we have learned about line and point, and also we have talked about line segment. If one end point will be there and one arrow will be there, then what it will be considered as ray. Katna. So here also ray can also be stretched endless. So we are going to talk about that it will have one end point, and from one point it will be stretched endless. It will be considered as what beta? It will be considered as ray. It will be बेस नहीं आता उसके लिए कोई परेशान मत हो, यू कैन स्टडी. नाउ लुक हियर बेटा, सो इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स व्हेन इट विल बी प्रेजेंट ऑन अ लाइन, it will be exactly the point or the solution of the line that we have to study in coming part. Correct, Chahil? So now we will go for the next one. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly within straight line on itself. Beta last class now we studied sigma. 8th class में sigma कहाँ गया रे? Now listen beta, please understand one thing. Suddenly sigma came in 8th class. Now 9th class only. Here all the children na, they are smiling. Suddenly how ma'am is speaking about sigma. Now listen beta, shall we go back to our work please? Now understand one thing beta. I asked a question from you. How can a paper is different from the surface of paper? What answer you are going to give? Surface is 2 dimension, but when we talk about paper, paper will be considered as 3 dimension. Understood? Paper will be considered as what beta? 3 dimension. And what conclusion we have drawn in that? Length, breadth and width is also associated with it. So paper is 3 dimension, but surface of paper is 2 dimension. Surface of paper is 2 dimension. Hello Neha. So a plane surface is a surface which lies evenly, and we that class also we have discussed now ki on a plane surface you can exactly what, a plane surface can be made with infinite number of points on it na beta, and these points if you will join together it will make a line. If you will align the point together it will make a circle. Correct na? So dot 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 dot, when they will join together they can make any figure. When these dots can join together it can make any figure na. So on the surface only. So my board is also 2 dimension because the surface on which I am writing is exactly what beta? It is exactly 2 dimension. It is exactly how many dimension? 2 dimension. I hope everybody understood this part. So now we are going to understand the next part. So some Euclid axioms we are going to study. Definition we have understood. Point has no part. Line is endless breadth. Line have infinite number of points. These are some of the most important content related to the definitions of Euclid. Now straight line we have understood. In हिंदी में, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में ही बोल रहे हैं बेटा. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स CBSE, so speaking in English means your English will also get good. Okay. Plane surface is a surface which is evenly having many straight lines. And beta, you know that कि whenever you will be drawing, just इसको draw करो कि whenever you will have a sheet, in that sheet infinite number of points will be there beta. Understood or not? Many points will be there. Now these points, when you will be locating it, it will exactly align as line. Correct now? So that means what? In a two-dimensional plane, we can draw many lines. In a two-dimensional plane, how many lines we can draw? Many lines. Because all the points synchronized together in a straight manner, in a collinear manner, can make line. Santoshi, good morning. I'm saying good morning, good evening, beta. Now here, after that, some Euclid axioms we studied. Already these axioms we have studied. Now we are going to again repeat these axioms because these are very important axioms. So now beta, understand one thing. That day, one simple example I have discussed. One more time I am discussing. Amrish, I talked about 1 kg potato and 1 kg tomato. What is common between 1 kg potato and 1 kg tomato? Can you say what is common there? Come on, maths beta, Euclid division I am teaching. Now, beta, what is common? 1 kg potato and 1 kg tomato. What is common there? 1 kg is common there. What is common there? 1 kg is common there. Understood or not? Listen, very nicely listen. Listen and then speak on your own. That's the best way. Stand in front of mirror and speak, and whatever definition and things are coming, you can interact with yourself first. Don't interact with some third person. Interact with yourself. Understood? Then that will be exactly, because you can rectify your own mistakes first. Okay, so now beta, if somebody will ask you A is equal to B, that means A is something and B is something. When they both are equal, means everything is equal among them. Understood or not? So quantity wise we can make equal. Chahil, one question I'm having for you, because last class you didn't respond it, so today I'm going to ask questions from you. Now Chahil, if somebody will say you that 1 kg banana equal to 1 kg banana, is the statement correct beta? 1 kg banana is equal to 1 kg banana. Is the statement correct beta? Good evening, Sanjana. 1 kg banana is equal to 1 kg banana. Yes, absolutely. Santoshi is telling yes. Sanjana is telling yes. So, beta, 1 kg banana is equal to 1 kg banana. So, A is equal to B. Banana, same. So, things are also same and its quantity is also same. Absolutely correct, Chahil. Bhavya, absolutely correct. But beta, in that 1 kg, if both side I will add half kg again. Now, what is the new quantity on both sides? Can you tell me? Now, it is coming how much? 1.5 kg. So now it is not 1 kg, it is 1.5 kg banana in one side and 1.5 kg banana in another side. Absolutely correct, child. It is coming as same. And that is what beta, it is, see, we can't prove it actually. So axioms can't be proven. And that's what in the definition of axiom has said that it is, what is axiom? Because most of the time we are learning now axiom, write the axiom, write the postulate, write the theorem, write the statement. Big words we are using. In mathematics, what we are using? Assume this person life is X years. Assume this person, or let the life of this person be X years, or this person is this much year old. Correct now? So whenever we are assuming, it is not exactly the written part, means it is not the fact, it is not proven one. We are supposed to go near the proof. For theorem we are proving, axioms we are not proving. How can I prove that 1 kg banana is equal to 1 kg banana? You are seeing banana na? And quantity also you are knowing one. Then how we can prove it? So it need not to be proven. Understood? But it is universal fact. It is universal truth or universal fact. Understood? So axioms are universal fact. It is not related to geometry. But if it is related to geometry, it is called as postulates. If it is related to geometry, what it is called as? Postulates. Children, if it is related to geometry, what it is called as? Postulates. Remember this very nicely, beta. After that, A is equal to, and we know that, yes, postulates. Absolutely correct, Sanjana, Santoshi, Bhavya, Arunisha. Now, beta, next important point to be noted here. If I will say 1 kg Kerala banana is equal to 1 kg Tamil Nadu banana is equal to 1 kg Jharkhand banana. So I am from Jharkhand. So exactly 3 states I have included, and each 3 states will be having 1 kg banana. So A is equal to B. So Kerala banana is equal to Tamil Nadu banana, correct? So Kerala banana 1 kg is equal to Tamil Nadu banana. Tamil Nadu banana is equal to Jharkhand banana. Understood? So all these three are equal now. And if I say 1 kg banana of Karnataka, that means what? All of three are having what common in them? Banana and 1 kg. Banana and 1 kg. So exactly all the three are same. So that is what is the conclusion we have drawn. We can't prove it. It is already proven. So axioms are one which cannot be proven. It is already proved. Done. So how we are going to say? Banana and 1 kg. Absolutely correct. So always we will be writing like this only, beta. Understood? So we will be saying A is equal to B, C is equal to B, then A is equal to C. So here Kerala banana equal to Tamil Nadu banana. Tamil Nadu banana is equal to Jharkhand banana. So Jharkhand banana is equal to Karnataka banana. So Karnataka banana is equal to Tamil Nadu banana. So all bananas are equal, and that's exactly the quantity and the quality and the content remains same everywhere. I hope you might have understood this one. Simple part in simple example. A is equal to B. B is equal to C. But how we are going to write? In mathematics, how we are going to write it better? So writing is the most crucial factor. You are going to write A is equal to B, equation 1. B is equal to C, equation 2. After that, what you will write? From equation 1 and equation 2, what you will write? A equal to C. So A is equal to B, equation 1, B is equal to C, equation 2. And from equation 1 and 2, which two are equal? A equal to C. And that's the most important one. Ninth का बेटा, ninth का Euclid पढ़ा रहे हैं. You will be able to understand. Now look here beta. Next we will go, if equals are added to equal, then whole is also equal. That's again a proven part beta. Equals are equal to equal. Correct now? That means what? A is already equal to B. Correct? Let's see. We have done this one also now. Amrish, how can we give an example? A is already equal to B. Understood? And in that, if I will add C on both sides, again, will they be equal? Yes. Because equal quantity C is added on both left and right side. So, A plus C is equal to B plus C. When A is already equal to B. So A is already equal to B. And then C is added on both sides. So what it is, what conclusion you have drawn? A plus C is equal to B plus C. A plus C is equal to B plus C. I hope till here everybody understood. So now we will go for next one. So beta, if we can add equal amount. Yes, I am teaching 11th also. Morning itself class over beta for 11. Now beta listen. Very carefully listen this part. If I can add same amount, I can subtract also same amount. Na 1 kg banana from Tamil Nadu, 1 kg banana from Karnataka. In that, if I will reduce half kg banana, means I minus what kg banana? Half kg. So half kg is the equal amount I have reduced from both the states. Understood? So how much will be left? So half kg and half kg. Again, they both are equal. Child understood this one. So this is one of the most important things, addition. But these cannot be proved. Yes, absolutely correct, beta. This cannot be proved. You can't prove it. It is already a universal fact. Now, one more important point, if you see, the whole is greater than part. Always, if I will take one piece of a cake, बेटा नाइन्थ का मैथ्स एंड साइंस, 10th का मैथ्स एंड साइंस, 11th का मैथ्स एंड 12th का मैथ्स. बेटा कोई नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. नाउ लुक हियर बेटा, अ होल इज यस yes, last class Amrish has given a very wonderful example. What he did, he took a pen and he took out the cap of the pen and he's telling, this is a part of the pen. Now this part is smaller than the pen. That example was a unique example. Coming class 9th, coming now, I will take Amrish name and say, this boy told this, the whole is greater than a part. So if in a birthday, your cake is ready, 11th का class है बेटा, morning को ले लिया already आज सुबह में. So hi beta. Now look here, see, listen. So what we have done actually here is कि in morning I have taken 11th class बेटा maths complex number लिया था. Video होगा आज के लिए, वो video exist करेगा. Now listen बेटा. So one cake is there. In that cake, from that cake, like 1 kg cake is there. From that 1 kg cake, 100 grams cake I have taken out. Then how much cake is left? 900 is exactly 900 grams are still left. So that means what? 900 is greater than 100 grams? No. So a part of the whole is always lesser than the whole. It is always lesser than the whole. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So here 900 grams, 900 grams. Absolutely correct. 3 of you have given the answer. First Tanisha, then Bhavya, and then Chahil. 3 people have given the answer, and the answer is the whole is always greater than the part. The whole is always what beta? Greater than the part. And this is what we have learned. Now, next part beta, we are going to study the next content. The whole is greater than a part. This part is over. Now we are going to understand things which are half of same are also equal. That is also need not to be proven, but this is exactly the proven fact. So if I will say A is equal to B and I will divide half. Now are they same or half? Half. A is equal to B. 1 kg banana is equal to 1 kg banana. Now both side 1 kg banana is there every day beta. So here both the side is having 1 kg, and from that 1 kg, half of kg I have removed. Then what is left beta? Are they equal or not? After removing half, are they equal or not? Are they equal or not? Yes, they are equal. Understood? So here again another point we have learned that quantities which are exactly equal, if we will do 1/4 of it or 1/3 of it or half of it, still after removing that much part, it will remain the same. But we can't do like that. See, listen one thing. From here half removed, from here 1/4 removed, then they will not be equal. So here also half, here also half. Means equal quantity has to remove from both the side. Equal quantity has to remove from both the side, then only they will still be equal. Got the point, please? Understood? So then only they both will be equal. Now we will go for the next one. Now let's check the next one, Orbiter. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. This is one of the most important thing. Now beta, what is the meaning of coincide? What is the meaning of coincide? Come on, anyone can tell me what is the meaning of coincide? Coincide is not coincidence. Aye. Coincidence means what? Coincidence is that they are equal. Arunisha, coincidence means कि you came one place, I also went to that place. Then you will say, Auntie, what a coincidence. You came here. Accidentally, I also came here. And then you will take 360-degree turn and run away from that place. Correct now? That is exactly called as overlapping. Absolutely correct, Shreya. So now look here. Intersecting, no, overlapping is more or less 90% correct. See, beta, I take one bangle and I will take another bangle. Okay, now one bangle fitted on the other bangle. Got it? So these bangles are overlapped on each other. Got it? And these bangles are coinciding with each other. So that's what it is called as coincident. So coincident things will always be equal. So what they are telling, that things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Means if I will coincide one bangle on the other one, that means they both are equal to each other. They both are equal to what? Each other. So one bangle is equal to another angle, and they both are exactly coming together and they both are same. So it is called as coincident. Understood or not? What it is called as coincident. One simple example also, coincident lines are there. Coincident lines are there means what? Beta, one line is like this, another line coincident on it. So another line coincident on it is this one. So they both lines are over each other. That is exactly called as coincident. Absolutely correct. Three of you are absolutely correct. Arunisha, Shreya, Santoshi, and the so co-interior angles is different, beta. Co-interior angles is different. Yogesh, co-interior angles is not here. Co-interior angles concept, lines and angles I will be teaching, beta. Co-interior angle is what? This is co-interior angle. When two parallel lines you are drawing and these two interior angles are there. Now, sum of these two interior angles will be equal to 180 degree. It will be called as what, beta? Co-interior angle. It is called as what, beta? Co-interior. Co means same. In the adjacent one base is there. In that both the angles will be there. Orthogonal will be considered as 90 degree. That's absolutely correct. Now look here, beta. We'll go for the next one, please. So A will be coinciding with A1. So they both are coincident on each other. Means they can overlap on each other. Got it? Now things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Correct now? If I am double of you, if I am double of you, means what? That 2 will be multiplied to you or on me. So Khushbu aunty is double of Amrish. Then that 2 will be multiplied to Khushbu aunty, or that 2 will be multiplied to Amrish. Say quickly, the 2 will be absolutely no, Santoshi, but understand it very nicely. That 2 will be multiplied on Amrish na beta. I have to make both of them equal. So now just understand, I am 40 kg. No, 40 kg is wrong. I am 60 kg. Okay. So 60 kg I am. Okay. Now Amrish is, for you, for understanding I am writing, that I am not, for fighting I am not writing. So I am 60 kg. Okay. Now Amrish is 30 kg. So how can I make? So Khushbu aunty is 60 kg, Amrish is 30 kg. Khushbu aunty is 2 times of Amrish. So 2 will multiply where? 2 will be multiplied on Amrish. Are you understanding? 2 will be multiplied where, beta? 2 will be multiplied on Amrish. So the moment you will multiply 2 on Amrish, now Khushbu aunty weight will become equal to Amrish weight. So if somebody will be saying you that Santoshi is half of Khushbu aunty, Santoshi is half of Khushbu aunty. When we are writing like this, beta, that time what we will write? Santoshi is equal to Khushbu aunty divided by 2. Because you are lesser na beta, so I have to also get reduced by 2. Understood? Now if somebody will say Khushbu aunty is 3 times of Tanisha, then where 3 will be multiplied? On Tanisha or Khushbu aunty? Understood? So that Tanisha will become equal to Khushbu aunty. So greater, that's the most important part. I live in Chennai, beta, Anupuram. So things are double of the same things are equal to one another. So that means what? If I will subtract this, they both are again same equal na. Double is there. If I cancel this, 30 will come. Correct na? So double part will be there. So Tanisha, absolutely correct, beta. So here, actually we are going to go for the next one. Now we are going to 5 major postulates. First to definition we did, then we understood some of the important points of axioms we have understood. Now we are on after reading axioms, now we are going to go for postulates. For postulates part, beta, please be very specific, children. See this part very nicely, beta. Now see here, learn this one. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to another point. That's absolutely correct, Nabita. So here one straight line is there. We have learned a very important point that a straight line is made with infinite number of points. Infinite number of points. Now beta, it is just like, imagine in a room one ray is coming, one line is coming. In that line, points are there. Understood or not? If you want to understand, you want to understand like this. So here these are exactly points: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this paper is having many points. Now in this points beta, these many points are there. Now one point I am holding, and in that point I am allowing many lines to draw through it. Correct now? So from one point, many lines can cross. When one point, many lines can cross. Correct now? So infinite number of lines can be drawn from a point. So that point will become the common point of all the lines. That point will become what beta? Common point of all the lines. Common point of all the lines. Understood? So here, a straight line may be drawn from any one point. So we can draw a straight line from one point na, and to any other point. Correct na? So I know that the line is exactly going like this. One point is there, that point is localized point. On the line, after that other points are there. From that point also I can draw many lines. I hope you might have understood here. So the points are the major thing. And once a point is contributing in making a line, that point can contribute to making another line also. Correct now? So one point here is P. It is contributing in making this line L. But the same point P, look here, the same point P is contributing for making this lines also. Correct? The same point is contributing the same two lines here. The same point P can contribute to make another lines also, na beta. Correct or wrong? So it can have a support, and from that support, it can draw many lines, beta. Did you understood the first postulate? If anybody will ask you, explain very properly. Inform. Like this, it is exactly happening. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to other points. Got it? Any one point to other points. तुम भी सीख जाओगे बेटा, कुछ नहीं है, सुनते रहो, सुनते रहो. सुनना सबसे पहले जरूरी होता है. यू शुड बी अ वेरी गुड लिसनर, एंड देन व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग, यू शुड नॉट बी कमेंटिंग, you should be listening, and then don't speak to see how to speak English very properly. See, it's a very simple technique is ki when you are listening, see, when you are listening, be a very good listener. Listen the activity, the body activity. See, if you are going through grammar, you will not study properly, because you will keep on rectifying the grammatical mistakes only. Got it or not? But the time, see, when we are talking, British English is there, Latin English is there, different accents are there in English are there. So people all over the world speak different type of. We people are exactly speaking that British English and other part English, we are mixing together and we are speaking. At the time when we are speaking, we are converting it into a very humble English. Understand humble part? Why I am telling? Because whenever we speak with decency, politeness. Understood? So first you listen. And don't complicate by just adding extra, what you call, grammar things. You just, yes, British English. You just try to just be simple and try to speak in such a way it should be communicated. It should be communicated. So communication skill can be increased if you will be good listener. Got it? And then you will be able to spell it out also. Got it? So now, beta, we have understood this one. See, am I talking in a very tough English or very simple part only I am explaining now? Simple only. Simple. English can be spoken in simple by not using very difficult words. Understood? Just make it simple. Maths is also one thing I am telling. In my interview also I said the same thing. Maths is not a subject. It's a language. Like Hindi you are understanding. In Hindi Varnmala is there. Na? In Tamil also Varnmala is there. Na? Literature part is there. Na? Maths is having signs and symbols. That's it. Correct now. Like in Hindi, you are putting E. In Tamil, you are putting that symbols. Same way, mathematics are having symbols. And when these symbols are presenting, one question is solved. So if somebody will ask, how are you? That's a statement. Correct now? And you are saying, I am fine. In the same way, maths is discussing the question 3 plus 4. Your answer is 7. So that's a language only. Understood? So now look here, beta. Don't take it difficult. It will become easy for you. So never think that maths is, see, the moment you will think maths is controlling you, you will never be able to study maths. Can I tell you one truth? In 6th and 7th class, I was failing in maths. And after that, I got state level. I studied maths. You know why? Because my mentor told me only one thing: don't have fear of mathematics. Understood? If you beat your friends, you feel like boss, na? Same way, don't beat mathematics, because I love mathematics. Don't beat each other. Don't beat. Only do one thing. Try to keep on cracking the statement. 2, 3 questions on your own. The moment you will solve, now you will feel like boss. 2, 3 questions in a day solve, not more than that. But when you are getting correct answer, you know how you will feel? Boss. And then your interest in maths will increase. That's the only mantra. And don't study maths from wrong person. If literature is studied from a wrong person, yes, I will do better. I will do integration. Huh? I will give many, but secretly. I will talk after the class. I'll explain it out. Wait. You can get better. Nothing is impossible. Shall we go back to our class, please? Now listen, beta. So here, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Correct only, na? So you can be talking about, say, I just took one line segment. This is AB is a line segment. But AB line segment is coming from where? Line. So always you have to understand whatever line segment, Santoshi, what happened? Whatever line segment you are drawing, that line segment is a part of line. Understood? The line segment, that's what it is called as. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Terminated line. Okay, Chahil, what is the meaning of terminated, beta? Bhavya, what is the meaning of terminated? What is the meaning of terminated? Terminated is not ending. Very interesting. Sam is telling terminating is cutting the ending. What an answer, yeah, seriously. Answer of the day. Terminating is cutting the ending. Come on. Think about it and say properly, yaar. Come on. Terminating means what? Terminated. Terminated means end. Dot. Cancelled. No, beta, listen. Terminated means you can terminate. I told you, na, at the time when I was teaching what you call rational numbers, terminated and non-terminated. Terminated means which will have an end. So this line is called as, this is terminated. After this, it is not at all going left or right. Is it proceeding left or right? No, absolutely. Cancel, no, end. Yes. So it is exactly having what? It is having a specific end point will be there. Yes. That line is endless. Line is endless. So a terminated line is called as line segment. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. So a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Understood? So now a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Yes? Any center we can take, and from there any specific radius I will take. But always you remember one thing. Whenever you are taking the center, from center to the circumference, the distance remains the same. The distance remains the same. I can take in coordinate part any center part and I can draw like that. You must understand here, I can take one center here, and from this center making one locus point and then rotating that and telling that it is a circle. It will become equidistance. What it will become, beta? Equidistance. It will become what? Equidistance, and then it will be exactly, distance should be maintained from the center. So What is radius? Radius is exactly half of diameter. Radius is what? Half of diameter. What is radius? Half of diameter. Got it? So radius is half of diameter. But from the center to the circumference, the distance is exactly equal. Bhavya understood, beta? The distance will be exactly equal. And that is considered as radius. That is considered as what, beta? Radius. You understood nicely? All right angles are equal to one another. Correct only, na? Right angles are exactly what angle? What is the degree? 90 degree. All right angles are equal. But are all acute angles are equal? No. All straight angles are equal? Yes. Because straight angle sum will be exactly coming as how much? 180. Right angle sum is coming as how much? 90. But acute angle sum can be different. Acute angle can be different. It can be 30 degree, it can be 70 degree, but it will always be less than 90 degree. I hope till here it is clear. Now we will go for another. Fifth one, if a straight line falling on two straight line making the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angle, then the two straight line, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angle is less than the right angle. Absolutely correct. See, one straight line is there. When these two straight line are meeting, did you saw this one? So it will definitely, this is exactly, if they are less than that, the third one, you read this part. If a straight line falling on two straight line. So this two straight lines are there. One straight line is falling. Amrish, one straight line is falling on two straight line. So here can we take this straight line as A and another straight line as B, beta. So this is straight line as A, another straight line as B. So falling on two straight line, make the interior angle on the same side. Interior angle on the same side. Understood? So same side interior angle na beta. These two lines are exactly intersected by this line. Got it? And they are making same interior angle. What they are making? Interior angle. Then the two straight, then taken together, same side of it taken together less than the two right angle. 100%. Now, are they equal to right angles? No. They are less than right angle, two right angles. This is not right angle, this is not right angle. This will be less than right angle. But the third one side, if it is produced and meeting, then the third one will be exactly also not right angle. Can it be making right angle? It can be right angle or it cannot be a right angle. It can be 3 acute or 2 acute, 1 right. Correct? Can I draw this? Then the two sides, see, definitely meet on the side of which the sum of angle is less than the two right angles. Absolutely. Na? So here this content is very, very important to understand here. Last part, please check. If produced indefinitely, meet on that side of which the sum of the angle is less than two right angles. Sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Understood? Now we will go for the next one. This is what? Fifth one. Now theorem. Theorem is different from axioms and postulate. How theorem is different from axioms and postulate? Theorem can be proved. Are you understanding? Axioms, universal fact. Postulates, universal fact. But postulates are related to geometry. Axioms are not related to geometry. This is the difference. But which can be proved? Theorems can be proved. Which we can prove, beta? Theorems we can prove. Understood? So we can actually prove the theorem. So now what theorem exactly? What they're talking about the theorem? Let's see this one out, beta. So a statement, the statement which are provided by applying deductive reasoning or using definitions and that same thing believed true to form another formula is called theorem or propositions. Understood or not? So here one simple thing will be there. When we are talking about theorem, theorems are back supported by definitions. And theorems are back supported by statements. Theorems are back supported by another thing, and that is facts, definition, formulas. Got it? So theorems many a times will be supported by formulas also, definitions also, reasonings also. Correct now? So if I will write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. immediately you will say linear pair. Correct na? Immediately what you will say? Linear pair. When they will have a common adjacent angle, you will directly say it is linear pair. So theorems can be proved. Absolutely correct, Bhavya. Theorems can be proved. So if somebody will be asking about theorem, what we can say? Theorems can be proved, and theorems are back supported by how many things? Check here. So statements which are proved by applying deductive reasoning or using definitions, and that same thing believed true to form another formula. Understood not? So theorem can generate formula. See, what formula we are learning? Sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Then this is a formula only, na? Correct? So this is a theorem. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. It is what? Theorem. But this theorem is given a formula. What is the formula? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Did you understood? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So that means what? Theorem can use formula, and theorem can produce formula. And that formula can be used in another theorem as a statement. Understood? That formula can be used in another theorem as a statement. Understood? Or as a back support, we can say. Understood? So that statement will be very, very important. I hope children till here it is okay. Was the class very difficult? Are you understanding? Now the session starts. First question, come on. Which option is the correct answer? Difference between postulate and axioms. There is no difference. Is it true? No. There is no difference? No. Few statements are termed as axiom, other postulates. No. Postulates are the assumptions used specifically for geometry, and axioms are the assumptions used throughout mathematics. So axioms we can use anywhere, but postulates are specialized for geometry. Postulates are specialized for geometry. Axioms can be used anywhere in entire mathematics. Note down this statement. This is one of the most important statement. Note down, please. This material will be provided to you, don't worry, but answer you note down. The most important thing is you note down the answer, because answer specifically we will not be providing. Okay. So that answer will be there. So PDF by PDF we will say. So now go for it, please. Mehul is of same age as Tanya. Charish is also of same age as Tanya. Euclid axiom that illustrate the relative age of Mehul and Charish. Second axiom, correct. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, A is equal to C. Was it first axiom or second axiom? It was first. So only I showed you. Absolutely correct, child. Absolutely correct, Bhavya. So it was first axiom. First axiom, why beta? Because see, A is equal to B, B is equal to C. So A is equal to C. So it was which axiom? First axiom. Addition was second axiom. Subtraction was third axiom. Whole greater than part is fourth axiom. Half part is fifth axiom. After that, coincident part is sixth axiom. Seventh part is double part is seventh axiom. Come on, go for it. Come on, try this question. To solve equation a minus 20 is equal to 15, we use Euclid axiom. Which axiom? First, second, third, or fourth? Both side subtraction has to be done. So if a minus 20 this side, that side will be a plus 20. Correct? Monkey, think one more time. C part is third axiom. Okay, we are keeping it till here. Next class, Proved statement based on deductive reasoning by using postulate and axioms are known as? Just now I have shown. Just go for it. Child answer is absolutely correct, beta. Come on, come on, come on, say. This answer give. Tanisha has given answer C. Let's see. Bhavya has given answer D. Tanisha is telling theorem. Child has given answer C. Okay. Santoshi has given answer B. Arunisha has given answer C. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it, beta. The correct answer is theorem. That theorem is the correct answer, and the correct answer is C, beta. How the correct answer is C? Let's check this one out. Proved statement based on deductive reasoning by using postulate and axioms are known as proved statement. The moment word prove is coming, the moment which word is coming? Prove is coming. The moment you are using the word prove, it is theorem. It is theorem. Now we will do multiple choice questions, that is theorem statement 1, statement 2. This next class we are going to do this type of questions. More questions are there in axioms and postulates. Some other contents we will be doing. Other PDF of one more PDF of theorems and Euclid will be there. That will have different type of questions. Next class I am bringing those. Okay. Bye everyone.